Welcome everyone. Hope all of you are fine. Again, returned in front of you. Next problem of the polynomial equation. If the roots of the equation be in the ratio m is to n, then show that root n by n plus root over n by m plus root over q plus 0. It's very simple maths. Suppose given the equation right, given px square plus qx plus q is equal to 0, let alpha and beta be the two roots of the equation. One maybe, write one. You know that sum of two roots is equal to coefficient of x minus coefficient of x squares, you can write number 2, and product of two roots alpha beta, you can write q by p, number 3. Clear? Now you have to show that root of this relation, and already given the condition that the roots of the equation in the ratio m is to n. Now given condition, you write given condition, right, ratio alpha is to beta is equal to m by n, and you write alpha by beta is equal to m by n, and you can also write down and beta by alpha is equal to n by n, you can write also, and you can write relation 4 and 5, no problem for your understanding. And now left hand side, writing here left hand side, root over m by n plus root over n by m plus root over q by p. Equal m by n means you take from this relation from 4, you write alpha by beta plus n by m, also you take from this 5, n by m, that will be beta by alpha plus q by p. Then you do the same in here, alpha plus beta plus root over q by p. Then here is alpha plus beta value is minus q by p, and alpha beta q by p. You write in here alpha plus beta minus q by p, putting in here another is q by p, root over q by p plus root over q by p. Again you write, ekhane root over q by p, you cancel it from between numerator and denominator, that will be left in here minus root over q by p plus root over q by p, then it will be 0, right hand side. Every students of that are you clear properly? This relation is very easy in simple maths. Again, I am doing the another maths. Again, my students, you follow the boards. I have given the another question in here, very simple maths for you. You can easily understand. If the ratio of the roots of the equation r, show that r plus 1 whole square r is equal to b square by ac. It's very simple maths. I hope that you are clearly understand. Now I am doing this maths. Solution. Let the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to let the roots of the equation r is equal to alpha and alpha. It is the ratio of the two roots. Sum of the two roots writing here, sum of the two roots, alpha plus alpha r is equal to minus b by a, and product of the two roots you write product of the two roots alpha into alpha square, alpha r is equal to c by a. You take the common in here, you can give the equation number 2. Then you take the alpha common in here, 1 plus r is equal to minus d by a. Then here is the alpha square is equal to r is equal to c by a. You give the equation number 2 in here from equation number 1 in here. From 2, alpha square is equal to alpha star square is equal to c by a. Then what are the two roots in here? Alpha square c by a. Here is the alpha r square c by a. You write in here from b, from 1, you can write alpha is equal to minus b a 1 plus r. You put the value of alpha in here, minus b by a 1 plus r whole square c by a. Then write b square by a square 1 plus r whole square into r is equal to c by a. From the denominator you can easily cancel a. b square by a is equal to 1 by r whole square into r c1. Then you write in here, you write as you have to do the cross multiplication in here. A b square 1 plus r whole square is equal to ca. You write in here your proof is like r plus 1 divided by r whole square minus b square by ac. You write r is equal to 1 plus r whole square is equal to c by a b square. You change the position, alternative process, 1 plus r whole square r and b square by c. Proved. Clear everybody? Very simple maths. Put out the two roots in here. Some of the roots you take the common alpha in here. Put out the two roots alpha square c by a. Then you put the value in here alpha from 1. Alpha is equal to minus b by a into 1 plus r. You instead of alpha you put in here whole square. After the calculation you can write 1 plus r whole square divided by r is equal to b square c8. Proved. Okay, I hope that everyone understand properly. Again, I am doing the another maths. Since the roots of the equation, if the roots of the equation p x is equals r equal to 0 b alpha beta, find the value of p alpha plus q inverse 2 plus p beta plus q inverse 2. Since the roots of the equation, the roots of the equation are 0 b are alpha and beta. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus q by p. Then you write p alpha plus p beta minus q and product of the roots. Product alpha beta is equal to r by p. Then from this you can write 1 and 2. Easily, everyone students easily can find out this sum of the two roots and product of two roots. It's very easy. I hope that we can find out. Then again from 1 p alpha plus q is equal to minus p beta. Number 3 and p beta plus q is equal to p minus p alpha 4. You can easily find out this, the p alpha plus 2 p beta plus 2 minus p. Why I have find out this? Because you have to find out the value of p alpha plus q inverse 2. The p alpha plus q, you can get the relation from in here, p alpha plus q minus p beta, and p beta plus q also you get the relation from 1. Now write p alpha plus q minus 2 inverse 2 p beta plus q inverse 2. Then you put the value from 3 and 4, p alpha plus q we can write minus p beta inverse 2 plus minus p alpha inverse 2. You write in here 1 by p square beta square plus p square alpha square. You write in here, you must equals in here, then do the LCM. Not really easily, you can take the p common from the both fraction p square. You get 1 by alpha square, 1 by beta square. Do you understand, my student? Very easily, step by step I am doing this, you can easily solve. Then 1 by p square, alpha square beta square, alpha square plus beta square, you apply the formula in here, alpha square beta square, you can write, then alpha plus beta whole square minus 2s alpha beta, you apply this formula, alpha beta, and 1 by p square, you put the value, alpha plus beta minus 2 by p, minus q by p whole square, 2 into alpha beta r by p, then divided by alpha beta r square by p square. Next, I am doing this in here. One by p square is equal to q square by p square 2r by p, multiplying here p square by r square. Then you write 1 by p square into p cube, like pq square twice, here is the q square, so in here is the LCM p square. Then you write q square 2rp minus p square square, this p square cancel, you write q square 2rp by p square r square. This is the relation. Then again, after this calculation, you know that find the value of p alpha plus q inverse 2 plus p beta plus q inverse 2. Then you write in here, this is the value of this relation, p alpha plus q inverse 2 plus p beta q inverse 2. Okay, every students, you have any question, then you comment in my Viber. Now I am doing the another maths. Another math in here. Since alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, since alpha and beta be the two roots of the equation px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Then sum of two roots alpha plus beta minus q by p, and product of two roots alpha into beta is equal to r by p, 1 and 2. You have to find out the equation whose roots are 1 by alpha cube and 1 by beta cube. Sum of the two roots. sum of two roots as given. Then 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube, you write alpha cube beta plus beta cube. You apply this formula in here, alpha beta whole cube, then alpha plus beta, you know the formula, 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta, then you put the value in here, alpha beta, then 1 minus q minus p whole cube minus 3 r by p into 1 minus q by p divided by r by p whole cube. Write in here q cube minus p cube minus plus 3 q r cube p square and r cube p cube. Then you write is equal with equal sign in here p cube, then q cube plus 3 p r cube divided by r cube by p cube. Here is p cube cancel, left is minus p cube plus 3 p cube r divided by r cube. Next, and product of the roots. Product of the roots 1 and product of the roots. Cube beta, you write 1 by, you know the r cube by p cube, you write p cube by r cube. The required equation, you know the required equation, x square minus sum of the two roots. Sum of the two roots value is minus q cube plus 3pq r divided by r cube, and product of the two roots p cube is equal to r cube is equal to 0. Then writing here r cube is equal to r cube x square. You take the minus one plus q cube minus 3pqr, here is into x plus p cube is equal to 0. Then r cube x square plus q cube 3pqr into x p cube. This is the equation. This is the equation. This is the required equation. You know. Okay, you know that from the equation whose roots are alpha 1 by cube and 1 by beta cube. You know the formula, the required equation x square minus sum of the two roots into x plus product of two roots. So already I am putting this value, we get the relation, we get the equation. This is the solve of this problem. Okay, that is it for today. See you again in the next video. Thank you all.